3 out of every 4 lines of new code at Google were written by a robot. Not a junior dev, not an intern, an AI. And Google's CEO just said it out loud. At Google Cloud Next yesterday, Sundar Pichai casually dropped one of the wildest stats we've heard all year. 75% of all new code at Google is now AI-generated and reviewed by human engineers. That's up from 50% just last fall. In 6 months, AI went from writing half the code to writing 3/4 of it. And Google's not even the most aggressive. Anthropic, the Claude people, said back in February that 70 to 90% of their code is written by Claude Code. Google actually created a strike team after co-founder Sergey Brin wrote a memo saying they need to catch up to Anthropic on AI coding agents. His exact words, "Every Gemini engineer must be forced to use internal agents for complex, multi-step tasks." But here's the part that should make you sit up. Google says they've moved beyond just autocomplete. They're now running what they call fully autonomous digital task forces, fleets of AI agents that engineers fire off to handle entire projects. One complex code migration that used to take months, done 6 times faster with agents and engineers working together. Oh, and they also announced their 8th generation TPU chips yesterday, purpose-built to run millions of AI agents simultaneously. So this isn't slowing down. If you're learning to code right now, don't panic, but do adapt. The job isn't disappearing, it's evolving. The engineers at Google aren't being replaced. They're reviewing, directing, and orchestrating AI. Think of it less like robots took our jobs and more like everyone just got a team of robot interns. 3 out of 4 lines written by AI, and it's still accelerating. The question isn't whether AI will write your code, it's whether you'll be the one telling it what to build. Drop a comment. Are you using AI to code? Like and subscribe. We'll keep you out of the curve.